Here's the comparison. Probably not changed since 2012. So for 8 years, brand new. Okay, so this is actually way easier than I could have even anticipated. So again, it just takes me back to these cars are actually more easy than most people would like to say. So I was thinking on my way into work, there could be a reason why everybody says that Maseratis are difficult to work on, they're expensive to maintain, blah, 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 blah. And it could be for preservation of exclusivity. So if you keep people from wanting to buy it, then the people who do buy it, who actually know, are the ones who know, if you will. So anyways, back to this cabin air filter. So these came out. This one is where the manual release for the glove box wraps around. So then up here, I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see. I'm gonna try to work around your eyeball. So please, actually, I might be able to do it this way. So here, this actually can come out if you need to. I think I'm gonna leave it here for right now. This has obviously not been changed. Look at this shit. Man, okay, I will get into who had this car before, but a little bit later. Oh boy, let me go get a flashlight. Okay, here we go. I'll take this out. Gross. We will inspect it as soon as this comes out. Okay. So this is pretty old. I don't know if it has a manufacturer date, but I would assume it's more than likely the original one. It's actually kind of gross. Ew, bitch, what is all this shit? Oh, and see how it's kind of disintegrating? Yeah, super old. Let's go do our lovely throw it on the ground test. Okay, ready? There we are. Let's see, maybe. I'm sure this is actually how they assumed this is a service. Hey, let's just smack it on the ground. There you go, it's clean. Cool, let's get the other one in and then moving forward with all of our services, man. Oh, I just looked over. Oh, you can't see it. Man, let's see. Ooh, those tires. What? Anyways, maybe we'll do the coolant expansion tank today. Maybe. I want to make sure that everybody is well aware of what to look for on these cars when they're buying, because it not only saves you headache, but it saves me headache when I have a customer that shows up on my doorstep at 7 a.m. and I haven't had my coffee yet. Okay, let's get this all put back in, and the new one in we will kind of wrap that all up. Hold tight. So, all right, here's the comparison. Probably not changed since 2012. So for 8 years, brand new. 8 years, brand new. 8 years. Ooh, how can people inhale this nasty? Bitch. God. Ugh. Okay, so I am going to clean this because all this right here is all, I feel like it's that, you know, the junk that comes out of the vacuum filters, you know, at your house. This shit's nasty, man. Gross. I'm gonna go clean this real quick and we'll kind of get the new filter in, get this all vacuumed out and back together. Okay, so I got this nice and cleaned up. So this goes in here like this. It just kind of bends just ever so slightly. Oh, this is so much easier than my CL. That bitch had 2 fucking filters and it was a holy nightmare. There we go. Back in. Now we can breathe fresh air and we don't have to breathe last owner yuck. Fucking gross, man. That was disgusting. Okay, cool. Let's get this back together and get it all buttoned up. Put, you know, these little shits back in, and we're good to go. Okay, so that was a pretty easy job. Got it all back together. The cover's back up. So there wasn't a screw here, so I didn't replace a screw there, but these here, these little clips, push-in clips, I put back in. Made sure everything was nice and snug, and yeah, we're good to go. So these are supposed to be changed either every year or every 12,000 miles. I typically do them every season, so or every other season. If you live in a really dusty area, then you could do it every season, but I do it every other season, or just depends on my mood that season. And then I usually will put like a service sticker under the hood for it just to remind myself. We're all done.